Today I'm going to show you how to fix the roller on a Oreck XL. It's just 5 screws to undo the bottom. All you need for this project is a Phillips screwdriver. One of my favorite things about this vacuum is its simplicity. Very few moving parts means very few things to break. Once you have the cover off, inspect the belt, make sure it's reusable if possible. If not, replace it. Double check that all your parts that you ordered are there. This one I got on Amazon. It was very cheap, about $12, and it fits perfectly. Double check that everything is the same. Make sure it rolls well. This one was really bad. It was totally seized up with hair, hence the need for the replacement. Double check as you're putting it in that you have the right sides. There are 2 settings, one for a new belt, one for an old belt. I'm going to use the side for the new belt since I have recently replaced this belt. It takes a couple weeks for the belt to get broken in, depending on how much you use it. A couple hours probably of actual use. In this case, I'm going to put it on the new side. Reassemble, making sure you have all the screws tight. Also be careful not to overstrip them. I haven't found a place where they resell these particular screws. Also, you can load into this convenient spot an extra belt for the next time so you don't have to search your whole house before you find the right one.